Well, folks, it's finally arrived. The Japanese version of the American release of Godzilla Minus One. I was able to get my hands on a copy. I wanted to do something to kind of show what's in this box because if you're anything like me, I just heard Godzilla Minus One on disc and my immediate thought was sold. Gimme. Need. I know this was a giant hole in my personal collection for a while, so to get my hands on it finally was really exciting. So that's really all that drove me to get it. Not to mention the fact that, there was a bunch of great bonus materials. There's 4 discs worth of stuff on it. I wasn't sure exactly what I was getting myself into. So maybe for those who didn't know or might be curious, this is what comes in this box, according to Google Translate and some very hasty translations. So obviously inside the box are your 4 discs, which include the original feature film, Godzilla Minus Color, which is interesting. I was not expecting to get that for what I paid for this. Some of the bonus features include all the announcement trailers, all the trailers period, some VFX breakdowns, the making of, the red carpet premiere, the talk show segment with Yamazaki talking about Minus One. Interestingly, not only do you get the this just awesome case, which, by the way, I'm a huge fan of. My roommate and I were just talking about how much we love steelbooks, and the current one that's supposed to be on Amazon right now, which is entirely sold out, is a steelbook. But this has got like a nice vinyl cover. It feels really good in the hand. It's pretty easy, just kind of boop. And it doesn't really require... It does bend the disc a bit more than I would like, if I'm being totally honest, the plastic. But otherwise, it's still pretty great quality. I haven't seen Minus Color yet, so I'm actually really excited about that. The booklet that includes the still images as well as what appear to be some production notes, which was kind of interesting. There's only one real caveat to all this. I don't speak a lick of Japanese, so I'm going to have some friends of mine who are native Japanese speakers translate the hell out of this for me. Hello, Noiko. Achie. I'm putting you to work.
One thing I forgot to mention is just how massive this box is compared to my usual DVDs. It is a little jarring, but it is very eye-catching.
Anyway, thought it'd be kind of fun to just do a quick video, quick breakdown of what's in this guy. I'm looking forward to getting into it. Did you guys get your copy? Let me know in the comments. Are you waiting for the Amazon version to become available? Are you not insane and actually waiting for the American version? Just tell me all about it. Thanks, guys, for watching. And I'll talk to y'all again real soon.